Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're making stir fry. Alrighty, there we've got zucchini and onions, rice, shrimp. This will be for me and Carolyn. Daniel can't eat shrimp. And there's some pork, and there's chicken. Of course, there's our rice. Some soy sauce. We're using less sodium. And there's some yum yum sauce. We all three like that. And there's some mushrooms. Now folks, there ain't really no recipe. I'm just going to show you how we do it. I'm sure everybody's got their own version of this. You can put whatever you want in there. We've got some water boiling there for our rice. And over our frying pan, I've got some oil in there, and I just dropped a little bit of butter. And we'll start frying our onions and mushrooms first. Like I always say, folks, make this yours. Whatever you like in yours. If you want more vegetables. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I'm tickled to death with the zucchini and onion and mushrooms and some rice. But now you fix it however you want. Green beans good in it, broccoli, corn, peas, whatever you'd like. Now I'm just going to fry up our onions and squash here pretty good. The zucchini we have is actually some Carolyn had froze from last year. Alrighty, the water's boiling there, Doug. Get ready to throw your rice in there. Now we're adding a little bit of soy sauce. Add however much you want. Teriyaki sauce is good also. Like I said, make this yours. Okay. Now we're just going to keep on stirring that over there. What happened to you, Doug? Where did you go? Yoo-hoo! Alright, there's our zucchini. Put that in there and give it a good stir. There, finally putting the rice in there. Don't get burnt, Doug. Now just keep frying up your vegetables you want there to whatever consistency you want. And then we'll take them and set them to the side and start frying up our meats. And like I said, we'll fix two separate things. Daniel is allergic to shrimp, but likes fish. Fish don't hurt him. Carolyn, she loves shrimp, but she can't eat fish. She's allergic to fish. I don't know, folks. So what we'll do, we'll fix the shrimp last and fix me and Carolyn sort of a bowl just with shrimp. Like I said, there's not really no recipe for this. You just, whatever you think it tastes good, folks. Just enjoy cooking. A lot of people are scared to cook. Ain't no need to be scared. Just think of what you think in your head sounds good to eat, and then just play around with it. Make it. If you think it sounds good, give it a try. Now the rice, just follow the directions on your box or bag and cook it however it says there. This here was boil it for 10 minutes, and then we'll set it to the side and we'll add it in just a little bit later on. Alright, here's Carolyn. She's cutting up them strips of pork into smaller pieces. She'll do the same thing to the chicken. And then we'll fry it up. There we go. Just get it good and cooked. And the shrimp we're using today, they was already pre-cooked also, and it turned out pretty good, folks. Just a little spoiler alert there. Alright, setting the rice off. Carolyn's going to drain it. Doug there is stirring away. Well, he's really stirring it there. Look at that. Alrighty, adding a little bit of salt and pepper right there. And we'll probably grab some soy sauce. Yep, he sure is. Yeah, let's turn that heat up just a little bit more. Go back to stirring it. Yeah, just that heat a little bit more there. Alrighty. Pouring the rice in there now. Mix that all up. We're getting close to being done, folks. Just get that well incorporated there. Putting in some butter. Butter makes everything better. Alright, pouring our vegetables in there. Super easy meal, folks. We're getting awful close being done. Okay, here in just a minute, we'll get another bowl and get out most of it there. Like I said, Daniel can't eat the shrimp. Oh, look at that. Magic, it just popped right over there. Now, throw it in our shrimp there. And like I said, these are already fully cooked shrimp. All we had to do was thaw them out and fry them up a little bit here. Yep, there's the soy sauce. We didn't add no steak today, but that there fully, you can do that there. Like I said, just make this yours, folks. Whatever you think tastes good in it, try it. Okay, gonna stir a little bit of that other back over here in with the shrimp there. Okay. We're about done. We'll show you the plate here in a minute, and I'm going to tell you right now, folks, it was good. Looky there. Yummy. Folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Let your friends know about us. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.